Hi guys, I am Usman Nuruddin, a PrepClass tutor. Today, I will be guiding you on how to solve questions in mathematics. We are going to be looking into AKWA JSCE mathematics past question for the year 2020. So in this video, we are going to be solving questions 16 to 20. At the end of this video, you will understand and be able to approach mathematics question, because in this video I'll be guiding you on how to interpret and solve mathematics questions. So in our previous videos we solved questions 1 to 15, so you can look through our channel to pick each of the videos to understand and get how each questions are being solved, so as to make it easy for you to attempt questions whenever you come across any. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to all our videos in a very orderly fashion. You can also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we put up a content on our channel. Also, feel free to share our channel to your friends, because this is an opportunity for you to learn and understand how mathematics questions are being solved. So let's solve today's questions. Question 16. Which of the following is not a graphical representation of data? We have the options: A. Bar chart, B. Histogram, C. Bar line, D. Pictogram. To solve this question, it will be right for us to understand what graphical representation of data mean. Data can be represented using the following: pictogram, that is, we use picture to represent data. Number 2, bar chart. We use bar chart to represent data. For instance, we want to represent the ages of students in a class. So each age will have its own representation. For instance, we can have 12 boys in a class that are 12 years of age. So we have a bar representing the age 12 and the frequency. So we have a pie chart. A pie chart involves a circle that is partitioned into different angles. And we also have histogram. Histogram is more like a bar chart, but the difference is histogram, the bars are connected together, but for bar chart, the bars are separated. So all these are graphical representation of data. So the option we are going to be picking here is bar line. Bar line is not a way of representing data graphically. So the correct option is option C. So to answer questions, you need to analyze the question. Ask yourself, oh, what is this question asking me to do? Then by answering that question, then you can answer the question properly. So we move to the next question, question number 17. Expand open bracket 2a minus 3 close bracket open bracket 3a plus 5 close bracket. We have the options: A. 6a squared plus a plus 15, B. 6a squared minus a minus 15, C. 6a squared minus a plus 15, D. 6a squared plus a minus 15. So let's solve this. How do we solve? We have to expand. To expand, we follow this principle. That is, from the first bracket, we have 2a minus 3. That is, 2a will multiply 3a, and 2a will also multiply 5. Also, in the first bracket, we have minus 3. Minus 3 will multiply 5, and minus 3 will also multiply 3a. So doing this, we can expand properly. So expanding, we have open bracket 2a minus 3 close bracket, open bracket 3a plus 5 close bracket. Now we have to expand following this same procedure. So we have 2a will multiply the two numbers in the second bracket. Also minus 3 will also multiply the numbers in the second bracket. So we have 2a multiplied by 3a, that is 2a multiplied by 3a. 2a will also multiply 5, that is 2a multiplied by 5. Minus 3 will multiply 3a, that is minus 3 multiplied by 3a. Minus 3 will also multiply 5, that is minus times plus is minus. So 3 times 5, we have 3 times 5. So from here we can simplify. 2a times 3a, that is giving us 6a squared. 2a times 5, that is giving us 10a. Minus 3 times 3a, that is minus 9a. Then minus 3 times 5, that is minus 15. So the next thing is to simplify further. We have 6a squared plus 10a minus 9a minus 15. So we collect like terms. And the like terms you have here is 10a minus 9a. So when we add them together, 10a minus 9a, we get a. That is 10 minus 9, that is 1. That is 1a. So we have 6a squared plus a minus 15 to be the result of open bracket 2a minus 3 close bracket open bracket 3a plus 5 close bracket. and the correct option is option D, 6a squared plus a minus 15. So we move to the next question. I hope you're following and you're understanding how we are handling each questions. Now question number 18. What is the median of the following set of numbers? We have the options A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, and D, 5. So we solve this by asking ourselves, what is the meaning of the word median? If you don't know the meaning of median, you cannot answer the question. That is how simple it is. You have to know the meaning of the word median. What is median? Median means middle number after rearranging the data set in ascending or descending order. That is, you arrange the data, the numbers you are given, you arrange them from the smallest to the highest or from the highest to the lowest. So whichever way you arrange it, it must be in either ascending or descending order. So by doing so, you will be able to determine the median. So now, arranging this number in ascending order, we have from the lowest. 2 is the lowest. That is, we have 2 is occurring twice, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 8. So we have the numbers. Now, if you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since there are 8 numbers, that is, if you're having even set of numbers, we are going to be having 2 middle numbers. If you have odd set of numbers, we are going to be having a single middle number. So now, solving this, we have to remove one number from both ends. So we remove this 2, we remove 8. We remove this 2, we remove 6. We remove 3, we remove 5. So we are left with 4 and 4 as the middle number. So we cannot say the middle number is 4 and 4. What do? We simply add the middle numbers together. That is 4 plus 4. That is giving us 8. Then we divide it by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is giving us 4. So this means that the median is 4. That is, the middle number after rearranging the set of numbers is 4. And the correct option is option C. The median is 4. Remember, before we are able to solve this question, we had to find the meaning of the word median. So that means you need to get yourself used to some certain words. Some part of mathematics does not need you to calculate. Just the meaning of the word, you'll be able to identify and solve for the question. So let's move to the next question, question number 19. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? We have the options. A, 30, B, 24, C, 20, D, 12. How do we solve this kind of question? Very simple. Let's go. Now to solve this, from the question, we are dealing with a polygon. Now for a polygon, the sum of interior angles is given as n minus 2 multiplied by 180. That is, if we want to find the total sum of the interior angles, we are going to use the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Now this means that for us to get the interior angle, if we have the sum of the interior angle to be this, then the interior angle, to get one of the interior angles, we are going to simply use the sum of the interior angles divided by the number of sides. So we have number of sides equals to n. So since we don't know the number of sides, we are going to say let the number of sides be n, because from the formula, sum of interior angles equals to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. N stands for the number of sides. So now we can say that the interior angle equals n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by n. Now, what is the interior angle? We are given that the interior angle is 150 degrees from the question. So this means that 150 degrees is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees divided by n. Now at this point we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have 150 multiplied by n is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So what do we do next? We have 150 multiplied by n, that's giving us 150n, which is equals to n minus 2 will multiply 180 degrees. So we have n multiplied by 180, that's giving us 180n, minus times plus, that is minus 2 times 180, and that is giving us 360. So the next thing to do here is to collect like terms. So we have 150n minus 180n is equals to minus 360. So from here we have 150n minus 180n, that is giving us minus 30n, So minus 30n is equals to minus 360 degree. So now the next thing is to divide both sides by minus 30. Now dividing by minus 30, we have minus 30n divided by minus 30 is equals to minus 360 divided by minus 30. Now we divide. Minus cancel minus, 30 cancel 30, n will be left alone here. This is equals to minus will also cancel minus. How many 30 can we see in 360? That is 12. So we have that n is equals to 12. That is, the number of sides of the polygon is 12. So the correct option is option D. The number of sides of the polygon is 12. Now we move to the last question for this video. Question number 20. Find the value of b and m in the figure below. We have the options. A. B equals to 115 degree, m equals to 25 degree. B equals to 15 degree, m equals to 15 degree. C. B equals to 15 degree, m equals to 10 degree. D. B equals to 55 degree, m equals to 35 degree. Now, from diagram, these lines is showing corresponding angles and vertically opposite angles. Now, the angles 4m plus 15 and 5m minus 10, they are corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are equal. So therefore, we have that 4m plus 15 is equals to 5m minus 10. Also, we have that b and 4m plus 15 are vertically opposite angles. Now we have b is equals to 4m plus 15. So from here, we can solve for m and b. So that means we are going to solve the corresponding angles first. That is 4m plus 15 equals to 5m minus 10 to get the value for m. Now after getting the value for m, we are going to substitute the value for m into vertically opposite angles. That is b equals to 4m plus 15. And we'll be able to get the value of b. So that is very simple. This is a question on lines. When lines meet, they form different angles. So from here we have vertically opposite angles and corresponding angles. So now solving for m, we have 4m plus 15 equals to 5m minus 10. What we do here is to collect like terms. 4m and 5m will go to one side of the equation. 15 and 10 will also go to one side of the equation. So we have 15 minus 10 will cross over the equals to sign and change to plus 10. Which is equals to 5m is already on this side of the equation. So we have 4m will cross over and change to minus 4m. So from here we have 15 plus 10, that is 25, which is equals to 5m minus 4m, that is giving us m. So we have m is equals to 25. So it means the value for m is 25 degree. So we'll move to the next part, which is solving for b. b is equals to 4m plus 15. That is vertically opposite angles. So we know that our m is 25. So we say b is equals to 4 into bracket m is now 25 plus 15. So 4 times 25, that is giving us 100. So 100 plus, we have 15 here, so 100 plus 15. Therefore, b is equals to 115. So we have that b is 115 degree and m is equals to 25. And the correct option is option A. B equals to 115 degree, m equals to 25. So that is how to solve a question of that form. If you come across any question like that, try to identify, okay, what are the corresponding angles? What are the vertically opposite angles? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our channel to your friends. So that will be the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next video. So do have a great day and please keep solving mathematics and learn more every day. Thank you very much. Have a great day. We see you in the next video. Bye for now.